Hello and welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Today, we are learning useful vocabulary for talking about your daily routine.
A daily routine is the group of activities you usually do every day. For example, you wake up, eat breakfast, go to work or school, come home, and go to bed.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your day using clear and natural English.
Let us begin with the morning.
The first expression is wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping.
For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Notice that we say wake up when our sleep ends, but get up or get out of bed means to leave the bed.
You can say, I wake up at 7, but I get out of bed at 7:15.
Maybe you wake up when your alarm rings, but you stay in bed for a few more minutes.
The next expression is make the bed. This means to arrange your sheets, pillows, and blanket neatly.
Example, Emma makes her bed every morning.
Now, let us learn some common bathroom activities.
Brush your teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Repeat, I brush my teeth after I wake up.
Wash your face means to clean your face with water.
Example, Alex washes his face with cold water.
Another important expression is take a shower.
You can say, I take a shower before breakfast.
In some situations, people say have a shower. Both expressions are correct.
After taking a shower, you may get dressed. This means to put on your clothes.
Example, Sarah gets dressed for work.
You may also comb your hair or brush your hair.
Now let us talk about breakfast.
Have breakfast means to eat your morning meal.
Example, David has breakfast at 7:30.
We often use the verb have with meals. We say have breakfast, have lunch, and have dinner.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
You can answer, I usually have eggs and toast, or I usually have cereal and fruit.
Another morning expression is make coffee or make tea.
Example, Lisa makes a cup of coffee every morning.
After breakfast, many people leave home.
Leave home means to go away from your house to begin another activity.
Example, Michael leaves home at 8 o'clock.
Then he may go to work.
A student may say, I go to school or I go to university.
We can also talk about transportation. You may drive to work, take the bus, take the train, ride a bicycle, or walk to work.
Example, Anna takes the train to work.
Let us practice. Complete this sentence. I go to work by,
You might say, I go to work by bus.
or I walk to work.
Now let us review the morning expressions.
Wake up, get out of bed, make the bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, leave home, go to work.
Great job. Now describe your morning using 3 sentences.
Here is an example. I wake up at 6:30, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I have breakfast and go to work.
Pause the video and say your 3 sentences aloud.
Speaking aloud helps you remember vocabulary and become more confident.
In the next section, we will continue with daytime, evening, and nighttime activities. Now let us continue with the activities we do during the day.
When you arrive at work or school, you may start work or start classes.
Example, John starts work at 9 o'clock.
During the morning, you may check your email, attend a meeting, study, write reports, or work on a project.
Let us look at check your email. This means to open and read new email messages.
Example, I check my email when I arrive at the office.
Attend a meeting means to be present at a meeting.
Example, Emma attends a team meeting every Monday.
After working or studying for some time, people often take a break.
A break is a short period when you stop working and rest.
Example, we take a short break at 10:30.
At midday, many people have lunch.
Example, Alex has lunch with his coworkers.
After lunch, you may go back to work or return to class.
At the end of the workday, you finish work.
Example, Sarah finishes work at 5:30.
You can also say, I get off work at 5:30. This is a natural way to talk about the time your workday ends.
After work, many people go home.
Some people stop at the supermarket or do the grocery shopping before going home.
Do the grocery shopping means to buy food and other household items.
Example, David does the grocery shopping on his way home.
When you arrive home, you may change clothes.
Example, I change into comfortable clothes after work.
Some people prepare dinner or cook dinner.
Others may order food when they do not want to cook.
Then the family has dinner.
Example, we usually have dinner at 7 o'clock.
After dinner, people may wash the dishes or do the dishes.
Both expressions mean to clean the plates, cups, and other kitchen items.
Example, Michael does the dishes after dinner.
In the evening, you may relax, watch television, read a book, listen to music, or spend time with your family.
Example, Anna relaxes by reading a book.
Some people also exercise or go for a walk.
Go for a walk means to walk for relaxation or exercise.
Example, John goes for a walk after dinner.
Before sleeping, you may take a bath, brush your teeth, and put on your pajamas.
Then you go to bed.
Remember, go to bed means to get into bed because you plan to sleep.
Fall asleep means to begin sleeping.
Example, I go to bed at 10:30, but I usually fall asleep at 11.
You now know vocabulary for a complete day from waking up to falling asleep.
Let us do a quick review. What expression means to stop working for a short time?
The answer is take a break.
What expression means to buy food for your home?
The answer is do the grocery shopping.
What expression means to clean plates and cups after eating?
The answer is do the dishes or wash the dishes.
And what is the difference between go to bed and fall asleep?
You go to bed when you get into bed. You fall asleep when you begin sleeping.
Excellent.
Here is your speaking challenge. Describe your daily routine using at least 8 expressions from this lesson.
You can begin like this. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I get dressed and have breakfast.
Continue with your daytime and evening activities.
Try to include the times of your activities. For example, I start work at 9 o'clock, or I have dinner at 7.
You can also use words such as first, then, after that, later, and finally.
Here's a full example. First, I wake up at 7. Then I take a shower and get dressed. After that, I have breakfast and go to work. I finish work at 5. Later, I have dinner and relax. Finally, I brush my teeth and go to bed.
Practice your routine once today and again tomorrow. Each time, try to speak with fewer pauses.
Write one sentence about your daily routine in the comments.
Like this video if you learned something useful, and subscribe to English Through Book Ideas for more beginner-friendly English lessons.
Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next lesson.